Alright guys, so real quickly before we start today's video, I want to remind you guys that this upcoming Sunday, October 15th, we're bringing both the BRZ as well as the STI over to WeekFest LA. WeekFest LA is a huge car show that is coming to LA this year. Alongside we bringing both the cars out, we're having a Borgia Supply booth at WeekFest. So we're gonna have some brand new shirts, brand new accessories that have yet to drop to you guys. Yeah, it's gonna be a vibe. We're gonna have all the cars there, the merch booth. It's gonna be so much fun. I love having shows and just like meeting all you guys in person. So if you guys are in the area, be sure to come through this Sunday, again, October 15th. Come check the cars out, come say what's up, and I hope to see you guys all there. So if you guys have not watched the previous videos, is it lighting good? Mm-hmm. Okay. I did a little exhaust giveaway. Starting last week, I just dropped like some new shirts and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna pick a random order and whoever that lands on, whoever's order that is, I'm gonna give away a free carbon exhaust. Pretty much the same exhaust that's on the STI right now. So I got a bag full of all your guys' order numbers. I'm just gonna do it old-fashioned way. I'm just gonna pick a random one. Every single item is an entry. So if you guys bought like 2 shirts, that's 2 entries. There is like duplicates of numbers if you guys ordered more items. You ready, bro? I'm nervous. Also, we got Henri behind the camera. Say what's up.
What's up?
The Civic is back.
Ah!
Should I just do it out of my hat, like old-fashioned way? Freaking red strap around my head. Ready? I'm nervous.
Stop.
Alright, this one's calling my name. It looks like 2 stuck together. Okay. 40-50.
40-50.
Let's go. So you guys saw it. Congratulations to order 2050 to Joshua. Love doing giveaways, so if you guys have any ideas on future giveaways, drop it down in the comment section below. If you guys want to do like suspension, I don't know, lug nuts, tail lights for a specific car, I appreciate all you guys for entering as well into the giveaway. Like I said, we'll have more in the future, so stay tuned. But yeah, that's enough talking in this intro. Let's go ahead and fast forward into today's video and let's get started on the STI. Guys, if you saw last video, we threw on some brand new tires, some 265s, and they ended up not really working out for this car. Look, we're burning the wrap, we're still rubbing a lot, and look, dude, look at all of this tire. All of this is just from rubbing on the freeway. I saw this too, which sucks. I don't know what happened, I must have hit a huge dip, but I think I pulled the fender, because look, it's like popping out from the headlight. Look, it completely pulled this out, and I don't know, this is like loose. It should not be like this. We're gonna go ahead and fix this. This is honestly bothering me. This fitment looks so good, but guys, my wheels are so aggressive with this. It's 18 by 10.5 plus 22. My camber plates for the BC coilovers are literally maxed out, and I'm rubbing like crazy. So can you guys guess? Once again, we have some new tires. I'm not gonna put it on in this video because I feel like I've been doing that too much in the videos recently, but we are going from 265 over to 255. So this should do the trick. This is honestly gonna be a little bit stretched. But yeah, guys, I'm already messing up the wrap, the fenders, and everything. Even on this side, gosh, this is so bad. Like little boogers. But yeah, guys, welcome to a brand new video. We got another video with the STI today. I apologize in advance for constantly switching up the freaking tire sizes. I'm just pretty much trying to make it work out. These are pretty aggressive, you know, compared to normal specs that people usually run for these cars. So in that case, I'm kind of like trying to make it work out. I don't recommend running these specs if you want, you know, like just a basic flush fitment. In my case, I'm obviously still rubbing. I have max camber on the camber plates. Along with that, in the fronts and the rears, I had to run some upper control arms. So definitely a lot of extra work to get these wheel specs to fit. Honestly, I would probably stick to like an 18 by 9.5 or 18 by 10, you know, in the plus 30 range. But yeah, if you guys ever have any questions on fitment, comment it down below or DM me on Instagram. I'm always willing to help you guys out. I change my wheels all the time on all the cars I've had, so it's I don't know, the whole wheel fitment and specs things I'm pretty knowledgeable on. But yeah, again, if you guys need help, reach out. These quick jacks are super expensive. I want to say like almost the price of buying wheels, but makes your life so easy. And yeah, let me show you guys. Pull off the stock bumper. I want to fix this thing like bulging out a little bit. Since we have to take all this stuff off, it's the perfect opportunity to remove and replace these headlights with something that looks much better than the stock ones. We have a massive box from SubiSpeed. SubiSpeed sent me a pair of their SubiSpeed headlights. I know a ton of you guys have been wanting me to put some SubiSpeed headlights on the STI. Guys, look how goofy the STI looks. Damn, bro, these are so sick. Definitely match the taillights now. As you guys see, like the taillights, they have like the little white LED. Guys, this is perfect. And of course we had to go with the Euros too. I don't like the orange one. Like some of the SubiSpeed headlights come with the orange side marker, but nah, the black and the white is so fire. What do you guys think? A little side-by-side comparison. Obviously these are the stock 2020 STI headlights. Honestly, for the most part, they are not bad. Of course, doing the aftermarket stuff looks much better, but for stock headlights, honestly, these are not bad. Obviously, going to the SubiSpeed headlights, these are freaking sick. Literally completely blacked out with like the white LED and you know, just different lighting features. So I'm really excited to have these on the car. I actually kind of spent the last 30 minutes kind of figuring out how to wire these. I want to say these are for the 14 to 2017 Subaru WRX, so I'm gonna have to double check the website because the wiring is actually different. It actually comes with instructions, which is good. So in the instructions it says that there's like a fuse tap. In my case, I didn't receive a fuse tap. I think this is just a WRX thing. Also, you have to plug it into the stock turn signal harness. In my case, as you can see, I don't have any turn signals. There's nothing on the bottom. There's no turn signals on my bumper on the bottom. So that's the second thing that's different. SubiSpeed sent me these harnesses. They give you kind of like a turn signal harness since the STIs don't have that. And also another harness that goes in between the stock harness and then the harness on the headlight. I did the driver's side already just to kind of test it. You gotta love wiring. You know, on this channel I'm always kind of skeptical on doing wiring, but honestly this is kind of simple. So this is the harness I was talking about. This goes in between the stock harness and the harness on the headlight. As you can see on the back of the headlight, there is a blue wire and a yellow wire. So the blue one is for the DRLs, which are the boomerang and also these little like fin looking lights. Now the yellow one is for the turn signal. So you grab the turn signal harness that they supplied, plug this in to the other harness that they give you. They also give you all these like little male and female connectors to connect the wires. So it's as simple as this, guys. Attach one of these to the yellow one and connect it to the red one, which is right here. And then you grab the blue wire, connect one of these connectors as well to the end, and connect that to the DRL wire, which is on the harness. Honestly, like 3 or 4 connections for it all. I know it kind of looks crazy, it looks very scary. I know how it is, guys. I do not like wiring, but with a little bit of like thinking and just kind of organizing yourself, it's pretty simple. That's it, guys. Let's go ahead and connect the passenger side, put the headlights on and the bumper, and we'll officially get to see what the new headlights look like. Grab one of the female connectors and squeeze that together. There you go, nice and snug. DRL is hooked up. Tighten this one. guys, took a little break. Got a haircut going, but anyways, check it out. Got the Evo in the driveway. What's up, bro? This is Noah's car. He went with us to Week Fest San Jose. We're just working on lowering his front bags, and I gave him a little small bolt for more camber because he's actually poking out too much. Moment of truth, right? Yeah, before he had like a 2-inch wheel gap, so fitment's about to be fire, hopefully. To be completely honest, guys, I wanted these wheels for, I still do, low-key. These Regas are so sick. What do you guys think? I kind of want to test fit them too. These are really, really close. So these are 10.5 plus, what are they, 15 you said? So super close to the TEs. That's not even aired out, huh? Too low?
No, it's good. Let's make sure it's not gonna. Bro, we're good.
Oh, you're straight. Damn, you can even go lower.
Dude, look how close it is to the floor.
Dude, that looks so good.
That's definitely one I want.
Damn, it's slammed, bruh. Heck yeah. What do you guys think of the Evo though? I don't think I've ever shown an Evo on this channel. I know a lot of you guys always bug me about Evo content. So this side we haven't touched it. This is what it looked like before, aired out.
Yeah.
Big difference.
Disgusting.
Lowered it 2 inches. And got that. Yeah, that looks way better. Alright guys, we're in the Beersy right now. I got Henri driving the STI. I've been kind of like pushing him to drive the cars more so he can get more comfortable driving stick. Now more so like on public roads because that's like the most scary part. He just stalled right now. I actually just threw on some stretch tires, or smaller tires, some 255s that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. And we definitely gotta lower the car more, but it still looks pretty sick. Completely eliminated all the rubbing, which was why I wanted to go smaller tire to begin with. But check it out, guys. Like I said, I want to get some shots before the sun goes down of the headlights. Check this out though. Damn, with the lights, the headlights, sorry. I keep calling them tail lights, but on camera, they're super, super bright. I have to like turn down the brightness, but these headlights are so sick. I've had them on the car for about a couple days now. Driven them at night too, and they're honestly really, really good. But overall, even with my 30% windshield tint, I can see really good at night. No complaints whatsoever so far. But yeah, I just want to show you guys in kind of a darker setting of the headlights. They just completely like transform the front end. It just makes it so much more aggressive. But yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below. Massive shout out to SubiSpeed. These are the SubiSpeed headlights. I believe the Euro versions. Usually on the SubiSpeed ones, these are orange. But as you can see on mine, it's a clear, much better. I like deleting as much orange as I can from the car. But guys, that pretty much concludes it for today's video. Real quickly, I wanted to let you guys know, as you guys heard in the beginning, you know, we're talking about Week Fest LA this Sunday, October 15th. And I think, I don't 100% like confirm it, but I think I found some new wheels for the STI. I know it's crazy, I just put these TEs on, but it's one of those things where it's like, dude, I don't know if I can pass up on the offer. So I don't know, I might get the new wheels in the next upcoming few days. I don't know, but we might reveal the wheels over at Week Fest at the Borge Supply booth. So that's something sick. Just might have to, but yeah, we'll see about that.